Hi there. Thanks for joining today's flight. I'm the Marco Island Eagle Eye, and I search far and wide to find you the best real estate deals and provide you with an in-depth look within our favorite communities and our best value properties. So hop on board, fasten your seatbelt, and enjoy your destination. Ship's Landing is located on the southern tip of Marco Island, overlooking Caxambas Pass and the 10,000 Islands. The resort-style feel and buzzing marine activity make it one of Marco's favorite destinations. Ship's Landing is comprised of 3 separate phases. Phase 1 is the first set of 3 low-rise buildings on the far right. The main building of Phase 1 starts out as 4 stories in the middle and then reduces down to 3 stories on the wings. The 2 end buildings are 2 stories throughout. Phase 1 offers a universal 2-bedroom, 2-bath floor plan, each with a generous covered terrace that comes with stunning views of Caxambas Pass. The centerpiece is the heated pool, hot tub, and grill area, surrounded by the tropical landscape courtyard, fit with a walkway to your very own private beach. Next up is Phase 2, with 7 floors and a variety of 2- and 3-bedroom floor plans. This horseshoe-shaped building offers 4 front units with balconies faced towards the Gulf. There's 2 more flared-out units on each end that have balconies that run perpendicular to the Gulf. This phase also enjoys its own heated pool, hot tub, and grill area, and is also in close proximity to the kayak launch. The first floor features an open courtyard concept and is a great place to sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. You can also find a social room with lots of activities. The third and final phase of Ship's Landing is an 18-story high-rise with a selection of 3 different 2-bedroom layouts. Units on the west end of the building enjoy year-round sunsets. Units on the east feature long water views all the way to Cape Romano and beyond. Residents of Ship's Landing 3 can enjoy their own pool, hot tub, and grill area. And if you hang around long enough, you might even see some dolphins on their lunch break. The first floor of Ship's Landing 3 includes a fitness room with a common kitchen attached. Game courts are located atop the parking garage, where you'll find tennis, bocce, and shuffleboard courts, as well as another common grill area and clubhouse. The garage includes covered parking for all 3 phases, as well as kayak and bike storage. Dock and lift spaces are available for lease and can be found right next to Ship's Landing 3. The main appeal of Ship's Landing is its direct access to open waters on the Gulf of Mexico. Drop your boat in and you're already there. But the real highlight of this community is you don't need to be on a boat to enjoy gorgeous views and marine life. I hope you enjoyed today's flight. The MarcoIslandRealEstate.com team has helped make dreams come true for more than 400 satisfied clients, enjoying over $300 million in real estate. Please call our Eagle Eye team today at 239-394-2500 or click onto the links for more information.